Hello my dear student and namaste parents. Welcome to a new system in which there is a fusion of two things. First, a traditional learning system is being merged with a digital learning program and is only available in the new platform, that is Charvik Academia. Okay? Dear student, question arises in your mind, what is traditional? Traditional means the original, the base pattern of learning, and digital means new technology to be adopted, so that the traditional system is now being merged with digital system so as to increase. What I am saying, increase means increase the learning capacity of what student and reduces the stress among the students. See, nowadays students feel they want to learn with the technology, and what teachers feel that they want to teach by traditional way. This is the only way that you can fuse them both together, so that your work and the teacher's work will be reduced. Reduced, and your marks and your efficiency will be increased. This is only possible if we merge this system, and this system is available in Charvik Academia. Dear student, myself, Sagar sir, taking chemistry for more than 10 years. Name doesn't make any difference until I am teaching you a topic, and the way that you are going to learn the topic is an important thing. Person is known by his work. Name of the person is also known by his work. I am taking a small topic, and the topic I am explaining in that manner, so you are understanding the concept of the topic. Once the concept is clear, you can go through the theoretical concept of the topic, that is the board examinations, and the MCQ concept of the topic, that is your competitive. The main problem that has been faced by the student is to fuse these boards and competitive. It is very difficult to fuse, but it is easy if your concept is clear. Taking a few concepts, very little concept, in which I am explaining only the concept. After that, I will ask you how you can merge this concept with the theoretical portion of your syllabus and your MCQ portion of the syllabus. A very simple topic that I am going to explaining is, this is a very simple topic. I am starting with the 10th standard topic, that is atom, and merging towards 11th standard. I am writing 3 points only on the board. First, isotopes, isotones, isobars. Any of the student, if they know the definition, the biggest mistake done by the student is the definition of isotope will going to merge in this isotones. Isotones definition will merge in this isobars. And if any students have a good mother capacity, you can memorize this definition, but it is very difficult for a student when MCQ comes in the picture. So what is isotopes, what is isotones, and what is isobar? And if this concept is in your permanent memory, then and only then it is possible so you can understand theory concept along with MCQ concept. This is only possible by making use of some shortcuts and that all. A simple shortcut I am explaining to you is, the first shortcut. When this name has been written, refer to the last third letter, 1, 2 and 3. This third, that is P, means same proton number. Last third letter is N, that is same neutron number. And the last third letter is A, that is same atomic mass. Whenever this word comes in your picture, anytime, either it may be in boards exam or in competitive exams like JEE, NEET or advanced, just see the word and refer to the last third letter. The last third letter is P, that is same proton number. I am giving an example of this, that is 1H1 hydrogen, protium, 1H2 deuterium, 1H3 tritium. Here, same proton number, same proton number. Even if there are MCQs related to it, you can select the MCQ in which there is same proton number. Second is same number of neutrons. So in case of same number of neutrons, we have example, that is carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, 14, 15, 16, 6, 7 in each. Same neutron number. You should know what is neutron. You see here, once again I am writing, if it is A, and here there is mass, and down here there is number. So mass minus number, in all cases, in all this case, neutron is equal to 8. So if anyone asks you about the definition of neutrons, you can write a species having same number of neutrons. That's clear your theoretical concept. And if there is MCQ in that, which of the following has same number of neutrons, you can calculate just by saying the words only. And the last and the final that I am going to discuss is that isobars, that is same atomic mass. Potassium 4019, calcium 2040, same atomic mass. So by seeing a single word, you can learn the concept of theory as well as you can learn the concept of MCQ. This is the only a glimpse of what I am going to teach in your regular class. Each and everything is not available in the platform. One-to-ones. Once again, starting with the first point, traditional and digital. I am mixing it. Okay? Thank you all.
Dear students, hope you all like the demo lecture on one of the most important concept of this subject. But don't be sad, this is not where we have finished. This was just a drop from the ocean of Charvik Academia. Explore this ocean with our team of experts and be the master of your subjects, right students? Let's have an insight into what Charvik Academia has to offer. Number one, quality education. Whether it's traditional or digital, by our highly experienced faculties is delivered very well. Number two, exclusive live doubt solving sessions is there also. Periodic test series for strong concept foundation. From 6 to 10th, we have also a foundation batch where you build up your strong foundation for 11 and 12, right? You might ask, what is the new offering from your side, right? So here is where our uniqueness comes into play. You will get the HD video recording of all the lectures, doubt solving session, whether it's conducted online or offline during your academic year. Listen student carefully, whether it's conducted online or offline during your academic year. Throughout your academic year, all the lectures, video recorded lectures available in your account on our sites, right? And second most important point is, I explain you. Student, as you know, the assessment is most important in education, for which we have an exclusive test conducting system with in-depth analysis. Whether your exam is online or pen paper based, check my words. Whether your exam is online or a pen paper based, we have unique in-depth analysis system for both this exam system. With this, students, we are offering free 7 days demo lecture whether you join us online or offline. So hurry up, limited batches are available. The early birds gets the worm, right student? So please join Charvik Academia as soon as possible for your better future and better education. Thank you.